Then we got bad news for the E-Class owner. It's a E320 CDI. That's a diesel, of course. There was a knocking sound coming from the engine, and when we listened under the car, it seemed like it was coming from the transmission. So we wanted to check that, and when we pulled it off, there was nothing wrong with the transmission. This is the crank housing. This is the starter motor, like you can see. For people, that's interesting. And then we got the crankcase, the crankshaft. Look at this. That's not normal. This is the crankshaft, and look at the play, man. Maybe a bearing, or maybe the crankshaft is worn out or broken, but I think it's a